Over the weekend, Solana managed to avoid this head and shoulders pattern and has subsequently pushed back strongly to the upside after bottoming out at around $185 and currently being priced at around $205 and something. Something very significant is happening on the charts right now, which is showing that Solana is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. So we're going to take a look at that now. And as you can see, guys, we had a push down to the downside, but we managed to maintain support here. And if we look back in the past, we can see that we had multiple touch points where we formed support for it, and in the past as well before that we had resistance, showing that this level here at around $185 to around $187 is very significant for Solana. But what we can see happening right now is this W pattern, and we can see here that it basically has broken the neckline. It's pushed all the way up to where it came to $212 before being pushed back down, and is currently retesting this area as support. If we just take a Fibonacci then on the 4 hour from the recent swing high back on the 25th of October down to the swing low a few days later, we can see that we have more key levels here at the 0.786 and the 0.618. I told you multiple times on this channel how important these Fibonacci lines are, and particularly accurate within the Solana price. And you can see this area here, the 0.618, was previously resistance. We got pushed back down and has now formed support again. So as long as we're maintaining ourselves above this level here, which is literally around the $203 level, then we should be looking to push towards higher highs, with the next target for Solana being up at around $209. Now obviously if we can break $209, then we'll be pushing towards this next level here where we will retest all-time highs. And then of course we are still looking at this price target all the way up here at $271, which may seem like a long way off, but we have seen in the past how quickly we can see rallies coming in from Solana. But when do we think that we might be seeing a push towards higher levels? Well, actually, if we look at the short-term chart, then we can see that actually maybe it could be happening very, very soon. Now, whilst I don't recommend you using shorter-term charts, this is a 5-minute chart, because they do tend, and if you're trading, you can tend to see sort of problems occurring. But if we look, what we can see on this is some sort of a falling wedge occurring, and we have literally just had a breakout. The target for this will be up towards $212, and as I've mentioned, that will be basically into all-time highs. So we could actually be seeing it probably within the next hour or so, or who knows exactly when it's going to play out. As I mentioned, this is a 5-minute chart, so we could see movements occurring very quickly. We are literally only $13 away from all-time highs. So Solana looking at very bullish and exciting in my opinion. Obviously I could be wrong, guys, so make sure you're going away and doing your own research. On Friday I had an interview with Jamie Rosinski of Wall Street Bets, and I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this one, so make sure you go and check out that, talking about cryptos and NFTs and how he chooses those. Hope you've enjoyed today's quick Solana update. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you haven't already and you are interested in Solana and other cryptocurrencies, then make sure you press that subscribe button to be kept up to date with everything going on. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.